like it's relatively safe there. You are correct. We can hide under the desks or next to a firm podium. The earthquake has stopped. Yes, ma'am. Let's queue up. Everyone stay calm and follow me. Please help everyone find the way out. Come with us. Thank you so much. Come with us. Thank you. During an earthquake, I hid under the desk. Is that correct? Good choice. I ran off alone instead of staying with the group. Is that correct? Congratulations, you aced it.